Guys, gonna talk about my story now. I was an Ndwabe addict. I was doing Ndwabe for the longest time. I think I did Ndwabe for more than 10 years now. I started after high school. Yeah, that's 7 years, 8 years now. So Ndwabe started like fun. Ngishayela indlwabe kumnandi ngizikhiphela I was taking out milk sperm ngizikhiphela sperm kumnandi yabona that my sperm was stronger. Sperm sami besinamandla ngaso sikhathi siphuma simhlophe qwa simhlophe siphuma lokusiphuma. And then it started being watery. Sisamanzi sperm ngidaya madoda. Why sisamanzi manje sperm manje? But I didn't pay attention. But I was busy doing indlwabe. So bami isikhathi-ke during the years I was watching videos, those adult videos. Mulo ngabuka ngishaya indlwabe. Sometimes ngingawabuka video ngibheke i-status zabantu ku-WhatsApp ngishayela indlwabe strong. Shaya indlwabe started like a thing but icala ukungi-affecta I think 3 years ago. Ngicala ukuphathwa ama-headaches like ngingakwazi ukucabanga kahle. Into zami sezingahambi kahle amabhadi vula amabhadi these things into zami azihambi kahle yang-affecta lento. And 2 years ago I started having cravings. Mangayishaya indlwabe ngiyatatazela, I'm sweating. The only thing I could think of was doing indlwabe. Even when I see those videos, they don't excite me anymore because I saw that video last week. I saw more than 10,000 videos on those websites. So when I look at someone's status and a woman who's not half naked, then I do indlwabe. And it got boring sometimes. Sometimes I do indlwabe for an hour without the sperm coming out, without coming. The whole hour without coming. Then I started getting irritated with this thing of indlwabe. And sometimes I was struggling to sleep because of indlwabe. It gave me a lot of energy. And when I wasn't doing it, it drained my energy. When I was not doing it drained my energy. When it's winter, the cravings are strong. I was suffering from cravings because I was trying to quit. When I tried to quit, I have a lot of cravings. It was long. Now 7 days clean. I'm 7 days clean. I didn't masturbate for the past 7 days now. And my energy is down, as you can see. I'm not that hyper person because Ndwabe gave me that hype. It gave me that hype. That's why my videos were so hype because of Ndwabe. So now, Ndwabe affected me, man. I think it caused me a lot of bad luck in Ndwabe. Now people love me ngiyathandeka manje. When I go to places, because I'm pure now, I'm starting to be purified. I'm not doing Ndwabe. When a woman comes over here, I can do 10 rounds without getting tired. It creates that hunger, creates more sexual cravings in Ndwabe. That's how it affected me. When a woman comes here, I can make her tired. She will sleep until the next morning because of Ndwabe. Make her tired. Even the people that are working at those places, that when you buy, you're complaining about I have a lot of energy. That's how Ndwabe affected me, guys. So please help me on this journey of not doing Ndwabe, guys. Ndwabe have really affected my life. So I stopped Ndwabe permanently. I spoke to my close friends. We talk about these things. But she's also doing Ndwabe, but I told her that I'm living this thing. She gave me a lot of advices. She's really supportive. I don't normally speak about these things because I'm a man. So I decided to come clean today about my Ndwabe addiction. So please subscribe, guys, to the channel. and support, guys. You watch these videos. Thank you.